Hello viewers, so do you know that many people find it very difficult to solve this maths problem? So come with me as we work it out within the shortest time possible. So make sure you watch this video up to the end. So let's start with the solution. So on our solution in this case, so this one is what we have. We have 6 to the power of a is equals to 42. So how do we go about this? In this case, 42 is a whole number, 6 is a base, then a is an index. So it is impossible for us to express 42, this is 42 to the base of 6. So meaning that we shall have to introduce the log from both sides of the equation. So now we shall now have the log of 6 to the power of a is equals to the log of 42. So in this case, we have introduced the log into the both sides. So the log of 6 to the power of a, suppose we have something like, so note, we have something like the log of a, or we can talk about the log of a to the power of b. So this one can also be expressed as b log a. So I want us to express the log of 6 to the power of a into the form of b log a. So this one is now what we shall now have. So here now we shall now have a log 6 is equals to the log of 42. So what is left for us is to divide both sides by the log of 6 so that we remain with a on the other side. So now the log of 6 and the log of 6 shall cancel. So now our value for a will be equivalent to the log of 42 all over the log of 6, all over the log of 6. So the log of 42 we can still factorize. This is not the answer. So now a is equals to the log of 42 can also be written as 6 multiplied by 7. Then all of them we put into bracket all over now the log of 6. So now we shall have our log of 6 on this other end. So a is equals to, according to the law of the logarithm, we can still have it as the log of 6 plus the log of 7 all over the log of 6. So all over the log of 6. So what we can do now is to split the equation by now saying that a is equals to the log of 6 all over the log of 6. So we shall divide both sides by the log of 6 plus the log of 7 all over the log of 6. So now we shall have, so when you simplify, we shall now have a is equals to the log, and the log shall cancel. Now shall have 1 plus the log of 7 all over the log of 6. So assuming that we have the log a all over the log b, so this one can also be expressed as the log of a to the base of b. So let's express the log 7 over the log of 6 into this form, which now we have no we have to express it this way, the log a over log b. I want us to express into the form of the log a to the base of b. So here now we shall now say that our final value for a shall be equals to 1 plus, now we shall have the log 7 to the base of 6. So now this one now shall be our final answer. So I want us to confirm or check if indeed we've worked it out on the correct way. So this one was our maths problem. We had 6 to the power of a is equals to 42. So anywhere we've written a, we write 6 to the power of 1 plus the log of 7 to the base of 6 should give us 42. So in this case now, 6 to the power of 1 is like 6 multiplied by 1, that is 6. Then the plus shall now change to multiplication. So the log to the power of 6 here, the log to the power of, the log to the base of 6 shall cancel with this 6. So in this case now we shall have 7 alone. So now 6 multiplied by 7 is equals to 42. So when we work it out properly, 6 times 7 is 42 is equals to 42. So meaning that we are very much correct when we say or conclude that our value for a is equals to 1 plus the log of 7 to the base to the base of 6. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and give us a like. Otherwise, let's stop there and see you in our next video.